Hey, everyone! Today I'm sharing my experience at the Airport Bird and Game Lodge in Johannesburg, South Africa. If you're planning a trip, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in the description to book your stay. First impressions. After its 2025 renovation, the lodge feels incredibly fresh and welcoming. The atmosphere is peaceful, making it a perfect sanctuary just a short drive from the city. Room comfort. The rooms are thoughtfully appointed and quite spacious, featuring modern touches like Netflix streaming and cozy heating. I loved having a private balcony to enjoy the quiet air. Dining experience. Breakfast is a highlight here, offering both buffet and continental options to start your day right. They even offer a takeaway service if you're in a rush for a flight. Leisure and play. You won't be bored, as there is a lovely outdoor swimming pool and a game room for relaxing. The lush gardens provide a beautiful backdrop for a morning stroll. Getting around. The location is super convenient for travelers, sitting just 16 minutes from the airport. You can easily reach the Serengeti Golf Estate or use their shuttle services to explore. Family-friendly. This is a fantastic spot for families because children aged 3 to 12 actually stay for free. They have dedicated kids' meals and family rooms to make traveling with little ones much easier. Overall, this lodge is a wonderful, tranquil escape for families and transit travelers alike. Don't forget to use the link in the description to grab your booking.